Hi, my name is Sasikandas. Welcome to our YouTube channel Info. As we all know, whole world is shut down. School, college, restaurant, office all are closed. It's good for us to stay at home and obey all government rule. In lockdown time, we all are wasting time to watch movie, TikTok videos. Some of the friends are playing online game. So it's not good. We all have to remember that it's not a vacation. It's lockdown. So in this video we discuss how to implement the time during the lockdown. Guys, if you student, you should keep on study. Everyone have a study pattern. If that study pattern and the study flow breaks, again we back to the track is really difficult. So all the student please focus on your study. If you like reading, download the ebook on internet and read. If you want to do any online courses, you can also do course through YouTube channel, and few of the courses are free. And try to improve communication skill, because nowadays communication is very important. Wherever you go, you have to speak English in proper way. So try to improve your communication skill. You can also read general knowledge, and as we know, most of the students are happy to read general knowledge. If you can and a good singer and dancer, you can also spend with that. Yes, this is the right time to improve our extracurricular activities. Exercise in your home. We understand your favorite morning work, gym section are closed, but there is a lot you can do in your home, like yoga, Surya Namaskar, and start dieting, which is very important to stay fit. Work around 2500 to 3500 steps regularly in your house, and it really helps to stay fit. And the third is reflect on your mental health. Get in touch with your friends and family. Try to more time with your family. Before lockdown, we all are busy with our office work and personal work, and this is the right time to enjoy some quality time with our family. Lastly, we say win through your action, never through your argument. Thank you. Jai Jagannath.